Today we're making a kids activity table out of 1 sheet of plywood, actually less than 1 sheet of plywood. Now I went ahead and had the 4x8 sheet broken down into 3 manageable pieces. You can have this done at the big box store, or you can just do it yourself with a circular saw. Now I do have plans for this project, and they are available over on my website, and I'll be using these plans, the layout section, to get my exact measurements for each part, and I'll be finishing up all these cuts over at the table saw. So here's the video. I hope you enjoy it.
Put like another shelf for
More shelves?
like something up for our glue and scissors and stuff?
Yeah, we're gonna put, alright, so look, this is how it's gonna look when we get done, like this. Draw me an X
Like a
there,
field goal.
right there, and there. There you go, that's perfect. Alright, Thaxton, now we gotta drill holes on the ends of these shelves. So draw me an X right here. Alright, draw me one right here. Okay, good job. Alright. And push down. Very good. Alright.
It was like boom, and then it
Yeah, go.
Are Panthers in Station College?
This is our activity table that our dad built us. And we have slots with markers.
You got buckets with your markers in that side. Thaxton, let me see your crayons over there. Can you pull them out? Yeah. And you just get your crayon out that you need and color.
Yeah, a lot. But
Mm-hmm. Okay. You push it back in.
Now watch this.
Yeah.
Look, if you get crayon, you can draw,
Mm-hmm.
and then put it back in there.
Very good. Coming up, we've got chairs that we're going to design and build for this project. They're going to be made out of the same plywood. We'll have plans for them, and so that's coming up in the next few weeks. So we'll have those chairs for this table, and for the table we do have plans available. So you can get those plans at our website, www.stoneandsons.net/plans. I'll put it down in the description and also on the screen here.
And it's
So-
on the
On the internet, is that what you said? Yeah, so you can get them on the internet, he said. Okay, so that's all we've got for you today, guys. We appreciate you tuning in and watching the video. Thanks for joining us for this build, and until next time, see you guys later.